Then Thomas chuffed through a valley. Wild whistles echoed and bounced off his boiler. Thomas's firebox fizzed with fear.
Who's there? I will not be scared. I will find a way to puff home to my friends by the end of the day.
Thomas raced away with a clickety-clack along the track and around a bend. Then he screeched to a stop. Thomas was fender to fender with 3 of the strangest engines he had ever seen.
Cinders and ashes, who are you?
But the engines didn't answer, and they didn't look friendly. Thomas's boiler bubbled bravely.
I'm Thomas. Who are you?
The engines chuffed cheekily.
I'm Bash. I'm Dash.
And I'm Ferdinand.
The 2 smaller engines wheezed and teased.
We live here. Where's here?
Misty Island.
Misty Island? This is Misty Island?
The little engines puffed proudly.
Have you heard of it?
Thomas trembled on the tracks.
Yes, I have.
We're the Logging Locos. We saw you arrive.
But you didn't see us.
We played rattling wheels and whistling whistles with you.
But you didn't play with us.
You can now.
If you want.
That's right.
But Thomas didn't want to play with Bash, Dash, and Ferdinand. He hadn't liked their games. They were too strange. They were too scary.
No, thank you. I come from the island of Sodor. Now, I'm going back there. Goodbye.
And Thomas wheeshed and whooshed backwards down the track and away from the Logging Locos.